Glory to Jesus Christ. Glory to the God forever. So, I tried having some issues. Firmware, I made up some mistakes and updated firmware on Intel Wi-Fi 5100 Agn or ABN wireless internet card. And so I tried to, and as it is impossible now with general tools to refresh the firmware of this card using different programs like RV Erasing or IVL dump. So now I tried to look on the video of this guy to understand the connections. He shows connections of Intel of the 5100, more or less the same card, but it is a mini version. And so we have such type of connections. We need this 2 and 4 and 36 and 38. So data minus data plus, and here plus minus. So, and I tried to use this video for this purpose. And so here's the card connected. You need to notice that on some laptops it is adapted to turn on the card while loading BIOS. So you need to restart your computer after you connect it to USB this card. So I tried in this way. The camera is bad, so you need to check this out. Here I have USB. I connect USB, then I restart my computer. So, after restarting a computer, what do we see? The camera is not good, but I have incremental glasses, so you see it is bad, a little bit bad. So, black wire is for data plus. Red wire, correctly I'm saying, don't worry, is for data minus. Then blue wire is for data minus, and red wire, orange, is for data plus. So the card name is Wi-Fi Agn 5100 or Wi-Fi Agn 51 ABN. So you can't connect the current card via USB. It won't be readable even if you restart the computer or whatever you do. So if you connect it and want to refresh firmware of the card or just some things via X editor, so it's not possible for the current card. Probably there are some models that you can obtain on the internet that you can insert the card and it will be readable to adjust some and to make some edits, whatever you think. But in general way you can't do this. Even before I connected the first wires to the general 3 and 7 volt battery in order to get the amperage required by the card, not amperish, like from the laptop of half ampere, but it didn't make a result all the same. So such a manual tutorial you can see. You can try with other cards, but just to check out. And so how to calculate the numbers? You see numbers. Number 1 is written on the card, so number 1 is here. At the bottom number 2, number 3, at the bottom number 4, and so on. And so we continue. So this is such a manual. Glorify the God.